In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best fishing drones in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which fishing drones is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Holystone GPS Drone Camera. 4K Ultra Clear Camera, 4K Video Camera, with 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees flexible supplies a high-resolution photo, making it possible to catch an excellent shot. 5 GHz FPV transmission delivers smooth and steady video clips also in high-speed or strong wind conditions. GPS Vehicle Return. General practitioners help trip. It can carry out instantly return home when the drone lost signal, out of range or reduced power, never need to bother with flying it away. Better flight experience. 2 batteries offer you up to 46 minutes flight experience. And also functions like elevation hold, optical circulation, brainless mode, one-trick remove or landing as well as speed readjust make it so very easy for novices or newbies. Considerate style. This drone comes with a carrying situation, as well as the foldable body design allows it easy to shop as well as more mobile for outdoor traveling, weight under 250 g to save you from FAA registration. Here is the item number 4, Holystone HS510 GPS Drone. 4K Super Resolution Photos, it is able to make use of every pixel giving you crystal clear photos and movies. This enables the video camera to provide smooth 4K video at 16 structures per second, 2.7K video clip at 25 frames per second. HS510 is absolutely a travel vital. Portable and ultralight, this 4K drone has a compact design in that the quadcopter arms, as well as propeller blades, can be folded. It is small and evaluates less than 250 g or 0.55 pounds. You do not require to register your drone with the federal government. Good choice for beginners. Limitless enjoyable in-app control, with GPS Follow Me Sight, Tap Fly, the aircraft can shoot stable aerial shots. With carrying instance, it is a lot more hassle-free to lug while traveling. GPS and GLONASS, dual satellite connection using both general practitioner and also GLONASS navigating systems, which implies you should never ever lose a signal outdoors. The item number 3, Holystone GPS Drone Camera. GPS Vehicle Return. Furnished with GPS location, the drone can remember the home point as well as return automatically whenever the drone shed a signal or lose power or whenever you push down the vehicle's return button. Smart attributes. You might set a client flight path at your will certainly or advise the drone to follow you automatically. Upgraded arrangement. The lugging bag makes it hassle-free to take the drone out. 2 modular batteries extend flight time to 26 minutes. Control variety is up to 984 feet. 1080p HD FPV cam. The HS110G drone with 1080p HD electronic camera can tape record images and voice at the same time. And also you may share them on social media immediately through the app. Easy for beginners, the current elevation control system allows stable flight. There is the mindful icon on the controller and application to assist individuals to grasp flying skills quicker. Comply with me, it can follow you immediately as well as complementary your hands to do other operations, like shoot photos. Vehicle Return. Return instantly whenever the drone loses signal or loses power or whenever you weigh down the vehicle return button. 1080p video camera. First-person sight real-time images will be sent to your phone. Record voice. The drone will certainly tape your smile as well as giggling and waiting on the phone. Number 2 in our list, Potensic GPS Drone Camera. 2K, 120 FOV, 75 adjustable wide-angle wider vision, and fluent transmission assists to catch clearly pictures as well as even more secure video clips. Wi-Fi cameras supply you with quicker but clearer photo transmission. General practitioners assist fly. Follow Me setting and dual GPS totally free your hands, while general practitioner drone immediately follows you, concurrently recording all the video clips and pictures. Next to, Potensic T25 drone will fly as you desire when personalized flight path function is activated. Lightweight aluminum silver instance, brainless mode, altitude mode as well as one key to liftoff or land feature simplifies access to youngsters or beginners. Hassle-free as well as easy, you can bring it exterior easily. 2 long flight batteries, 2 modular battery 1000 mAh, and as much as 300 mAh control variety enable you to go farther as well as see more comprehensive without fret. Wonderful drones for grown-ups. Safer automobile return, equipped with twin general practitioner drone will certainly stall in the wind and automated return home, likewise one key push button control back to house RTH when it is with reduced power or weak signal or shed. This is a Potensic T25 GPS drone, which embraces an innovative 9-axis Euro, 2 batteries and 1 carrying situation, longer trip time, and is also portable for the trip. Wind resistant and steady in flying, making the pictures as well as video clips you fired a lot more optimal. The top one in our list, Holy Stone Drone Camera. Built for adventure, the specially developed knapsack can bring every little thing for HS-120D, permits you to take this drone anywhere, exceptionally convenient for travel and outdoor. 2K UHD 120 degrees FOV flexible FPV cam, capture high-definition video and also straight save to your mobile phone, motion control, posture to the cam, you can take automatically produced images and videos, share it immediately with good friends on social media sites. Smarter return residence, general practitioners help trip, it can do instantly return house when the drone sheds signal, out of range or reduced power, never have to stress over flying it away. Follow me, object trace, custom path, the drone can trace as well as immediately follow you, allowing you to focus on the moment, take an excellent selfie. Besides, it will fly as you want as soon as you set a unique course. Better trip experience, 3 batteries give you approximately 10 minutes immersive flying experience, 250G lightweight yet effective, can serve you from FAA PC registry. Headless mode, elevation mode as well as 1 key to liftoff or touchdown features make it so very easy to operate. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best fishing drones amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.